Hello and welcome to my Capstone presentation. I'm Rowan. Today I will be talking about human evolution. Have you ever thought about how the human species genetically evolved over time? Well, today I'm going to tell you. What is evolution? Of course, we're all different, but what are some similarities and differences between us and our ancestors? To begin, we share 98% of our DNA with chimpanzees, but our brains also got bigger over time. Some similarities for the Homo species are bipedalism, which means walking on 2 feet, language, and use of tools. Molecular evidence suggests that between 4 and 8 million years ago, first the gorillas and then the chimpanzees split off from the line leading to humans. Some similarities for the Homo species are use of tools and hunting. Do you know something big? Fire. The control of fire by early humans was a turning point in the technological evolution of human beings. Technological means relating to or using technology. The fire also helped us stay warm and cook our food. We became humans today because we started to develop bigger brains and we began to evolve more. You want something else big? Thumbs. We have thumbs. Our key advantage is the dexterity and configuration of our thumbs. Dexterity means skill in performing tasks, especially on the hand, and configuration means arrangement of things in a particular order. But what makes us different from other animals? Well, to begin, we use other animals for a benefit, such as food, coats, tools, and weapons. Our ancestors, on the other hand, had flatter hand-like feet, as you can see. Now that we've evolved into the beings we are today, you might wonder, what makes us different from our parents and siblings? These differences are a result of, wait for it, genetics. Genetics is a branch of biology concerned with genes and heredity. But what makes us all different? Well, say your mom had brown eyes and your dad had green eyes. You would get the brown eyes because it's the dominant trait. The green eye is still there, it's just not showing. Same with your other traits. You get different genes from your parents to make you different. Our DNA is in charge of our cells and it makes all our genetic codes different. As we evolve, our genetic code evolves too. But not all traits are influenced by genetics. Some are influenced by the environment. One example is flamingos. Flamingos are pink not because of genetics and heredity, but because of the environment. They're actually white. That's why the babies are always white. But what causes evolution? Mostly genetic mutations. Genetic mutations is a permanent alteration in the DNA sequence that makes up what differs from what's found in most people. Genetic mutations are thought to be one of the driving forces of evolution. Bad mutations are, an example of bad mutations is cancer. Cancer is actually bad mutations turned into a tumor. Beneficial mutations, on the other hand, are thought to be one of the driving forces of evolution. That's the process that makes organisms change over a number of generations. But here's an example. Wait for it. Giraffes. One example is giraffes. Giraffes used to be short little donkey deer creatures that lived in wet places. But when the environment got drier, the giraffes couldn't reach the food and started to die. But some giraffes had a genetic mutation that made them taller and their necks longer. With this genetic mutation, slowly but surely, the giraffes were able to evolve and become the giraffes they are today. In conclusion, I hope you enjoyed my presentation and that you got something out of it. But before I end, where will we go in the future? Thank you.